If you want to learn how to sync Instagram captions with hashtag libraries, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to do this in a quick and efficient way, so your posts stay organized and consistent. Stick with me, because at the end, I'll share an exclusive offer that will help you streamline your process even further. First things first, syncing Instagram captions with hashtag libraries can save you tons of time. If you're still copying and pasting hashtags into each post manually, you're doing it the hard way. The software we'll be using today allows you to create and sync custom hashtag libraries to your Instagram captions with ease. Start by setting up your hashtag library. This is where you can categorize your hashtags into different themes, like travel, fashion, or food, and easily add them to your posts. The software makes it simple to create these categories and store hashtags for quick access later. It's just like having a personal hashtag vault ready to go whenever you need it. Next, you'll want to connect your Instagram account to the software. This step is quick, and once your account is linked, you can start syncing your captions with your hashtag libraries. The beauty of this tool is it lets you automatically pull the right hashtags based on the content of your post, so you're always on point. Now, let's talk about the real magic: syncing your hashtags with captions. The software we'll be using automatically inserts your pre-saved hashtags directly into your Instagram caption. You don't have to worry about formatting or finding the right hashtags ever again. It's all taken care of for you. You can even schedule your posts ahead of time, and the hashtags will be there, ready to go when your content goes live. But here's where it gets even better. This software allows you to customize your captions with specific hashtags that align perfectly with your target audience and content. No more generic hashtags. You can focus on the ones that bring the most engagement and boost your reach. Before I wrap up, I just want to remind you that in the description below, you'll find a link to an exclusive free trial of this software, just for viewers of my channel. You can follow along with everything I showed you today and start syncing your Instagram captions with your hashtag libraries instantly. To summarize, here's the key takeaway. Syncing your Instagram captions with a custom hashtag library isn't just time-saving, it's a game changer for consistent and efficient social media management. By using the software we covered today, you can easily create a library of hashtags, sync them with your captions, and boost your Instagram engagement without breaking a sweat. And don't forget, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. You won't want to miss out on this opportunity to streamline your Instagram strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.